Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, November the 9th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and not the last, but we have one left, the 4 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 7419. 7419, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3 3s. 2 4s. 1 5. 4 6s. All right. 4 7s. All right. 2 8. 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 6s and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 6? Yes. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 4. Okay. Then let me see the 7. But the 6 can yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for 6 should be there. 6 need a 6 here, and need a 6 there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 7 then? 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, and we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. Cannot continue with the 7. How about the 4 then? 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And we have a pair here. We have a 4 and a 7 in this row. 4 and a 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and all the 6s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 6, 7, 7. No, still cannot continue with the 7. 4, need a 4 there, and a 7 there. Yeah. No. Let me look. Yeah, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 139, 139, 139. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 139, 139, 139, 139. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this column, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, so 1 digit left in this row for number 1. So no, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Alright. 189, 189, 189. Okay. How about here? 2 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no need to place left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8, 8, okay. Well. 3. Need a 1, need a 9, need a 5. 195, 99. Need a 5. Wow. 1. Come on. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 8 here. Come on. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are: 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in the first row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 1. Okay, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the middle row, the row between. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be a 1, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. Okay. How about the number 22. Okay, in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 in this row could be here, or there. We see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. And a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 3 and 8, okay. Alright. And now. How about 2, We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Need a 9 here. Well, we have here 3 missing, one of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. And the 3, yeah, 2 of those missing numbers of this big square are the numbers 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this first row, so no 9 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, and 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, need a 9 here. Well. Need a 9 here. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 3, 3. Okay. And now, about the 4. 4, 4. About here, the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Okay. Come on. Need a 5 here. I'm thinking. Yeah, we have 3 and a 9 left in this third row. Missing numbers 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. So I've eliminated the 3. So the 9 should be there then. Okay, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Okay. Well, these 3 missing numbers 3, 8, 5, 3, 8, 5, 3, 8, 5. No. Come on. 3, 3. Well, we have a pair. We have a 3 and an 8 in this last column, 3 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes, 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay, so 4, 4, 5, 5. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. 5, 4. I need a 5 here. 5, 3, 8, and 4. Need a 4. 4, 5. So here should be the 3, 8. We have here 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 3 and 8, but also 1, 2, 4 and the 5 are missing in this row. 4 and a 5. Well, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So here can be 4 and a 5. So the 3 and 8 are left. So here we have a pair, 3 and 8. So the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5 here. 4 and a 5, okay. Here could be 4 and a 5 and need a 7 here. Well, we need a 7, yeah, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Here also 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above, so that row only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. Then 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and 8. Well, we have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, not faster than 15 minutes, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but faster than 20 minutes, so it should be a 2 stars puzzle. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.